Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just want to give you guys a quick painting tip, right? Have you guys ever heard of the caulking method? Well, it is one of the surefire ways that you can make sure that you are getting incredible, nice, clean lines when you are painting. So currently I am painting a ceiling in the garage where we had some drywall repair going on. So you see the first step is going to be taping out your edge, right? So once you have your tape all the way outlined, your next step is going to be using some caulk with a caulking gun, and you're going to just pretty much roll a bead of caulk along the edges and clean it up so that when you paint and you remove that tape, that you're going to have a super clean finish. So I'm about to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so I'm up here at the ceiling where you see I have lined up the tape. So with my caulk gun and my caulk already inside, so pretty much just like that. And you're gonna pull that bead all the way across. Just like so. And make sure you're getting the paintable caulk. This is gonna be set up and ready to get painted over within 20 minutes. So pretty much what this caulk is doing is creating a barrier from this wall to this wall. So once we paint the ceiling and we pull back the tape, you're gonna see how beautiful and clean that line is gonna be. And what you'll wanna do is continue to do that around the full perimeter of the ceiling. Especially you can see there's an orange peel texture here behind me on the wall as well as the ceiling. So typically when you have textured walls, even with the best painter's tape, you're going to be experiencing some bleed through. So absolutely you want to opt for the caulking method when you're taping textured walls, just to ensure, again, a beautiful finish. Okay, so again, if you are using the paintable caulk, it normally is set up and ready to be painted over within 20 minutes. So you can see I've already gone ahead and doing that. So what I'm doing now is using my 4-inch roller just to pretty much roll the edges of the ceiling. And once I come back in with my big roller, and it, you know, we don't want to wait for the paint to dry all the way. We just want to get the paint down, and then we'll pull that tape back up. So this is what it should look like. Just like that. Like I said, I'm rolling out a nice little edge so that my 9-inch roller does not roll up against the wall. And I'll show you what that looks like once we take the tape off.